Friday, when I saw people come in the name of politics to kill somebody's mother. I don't care who is in power. This madness you display at polling station, but the saddest part of all that is that the police stood helpless. Nkwaseafuo to send nipa no eba polling station. Nkwaseafuo sa near the Jonas. 66 years. The mutimi yeni.
A Jeffrey Blackman of by-election at Kotoya Friday, 11 July 2025. On the Pasabasa Ecoso. The environment was such a chaotic environment. Emma said, you was ready came Ghana as series. Now, say, Ghana for air train said, Prophet Oduro Kofi, yes, Bekambi, Bekasa, Prophet, Bekasa, Prophet Bekambi, a Prophet Kofi Oduro, Abekem, no, Abronye Dc TheReasonShow, or the Sheba, Omunya Betiro Madrid. In fact, Gumbi, Superman, any heat there. Kofi Oduro, and fans per Ghana, was a Ghana Sabia Nkwaseafuo. Ghana Nkwaseafuo, name Penyah for the enemy Sabi, Nkwaseafuo. I Penyah broke media. Let's rush any day. Over like video, no other subscribe button, somebody can keep notification conflict updates. Now back to the wild media mammy, comment section. Let's rush over Baswa. No achievement for any be Asher. It's Friday, and a call by election, our Blackman North constituency between Honorable Rabna and Honorable Equia Free. I say, yeah, there's not tension, our Hormapa, Emma out of nowhere. You will say some squad be about Hormanaka or Mukopa Hawa Koomson, Ekuno.
Why are they doing that?
And I know MPP National Deputy Organizers on Omko attack. Emma, before that day, 2 days before the election, Male Basentale, our president of the youth in Ghana here, you said he was inciting the youth. What I say? Emma in a home, but it happened. Emma after this issue, no, Tango computer, echo interview, YouTube, the one of can say, oh, Mamma can say, NDC for tax, and I'll be Hawa Koomson, a general credit, or then I just mean NDC for now a government by a MPP for Ankasa, and I should have moment about Hawa Koomson, so we will buy agenda. What does it? Just say, how Tango computer can say, I'm going to give you. Later, and a video a pop up I said, squad now umquare that was a honor, or one can air confirm as oh, our comes in Quana Babono, a use as a NDC all the way. That's it. And go for I'm a sebi. Some computer, I'll be a stupid man. I'll be a foolish. Because we say a MP before. And go for no more no so have a conference. So we are NDC tax. That's it. Some computer better than a foolish man. Sabi, I'll be a foolish man. What I say? Now, if I see when any day some I got count Twitter, how do I say, 2019, I also where to go. On no confronting police ni born assume a basin will be uncounted 10 years. We are see a normal, no pass and Jordan. Police on born soon I will be uncountry. Or young start here, no cat was start here, Ghana, here, and you go to the base of my room. And no, and a prophet Kofi Oduro. Abronye Dc, Chairman, and the reason show this year. Omunina abe bogumbe elsewhere. In fact, Oma fans pay. Oma fire pana prophet Kofi Oduro. Wa fire, manashi.
Pointy tree in Nigeria on one case. Can you display it on television for me? Mede omai Nkwaseafuo bi ebeyi omebufu. Mede omai Nkwaseafuo bi. I will discipline a nation that is foolish with a foolish nation. Omaya womo Nkwaseafuo no mede Nkwasea man ene betwe omas. My heart broke on Saturday, on Friday, when I saw people come in the name of politics to kill somebody's mother. I don't care who is in power. Let's behave like civilized people. Yeah. This madness you display at polling stations is unnecessary. We mami say gamna Nkwaseafuo man. Moya dia me na afra. And this is what happens. If you pan we ba polling station also wo bebu obi na kofa wom. Yeah. Wama juma ni so mo be ku obi. Wama be buru obi. They proved it. Iti obi maame no a wo se wa ye obone ne ho ye wa hyi viri so wa banda danim no edie na obenya for killing that woman. I want to ask, edie na obenya for killing somebody's father, what will you gain? But the saddest part of all that is that the police stood helpless. Don't blame them. Don't blame them, because me kwa America, me drew up on them who for them said that's right. American police have 2 pistols, one here, one there. British police same 2 pistols, one here, one there. Nobody has any ediakura ubi engitem. Ediakura ubi engitem. Police in Ejina no what say ya interdicting in here. Our grounds and so I want to why we need an IGP to come to a police station? Ghana moya reason. What is an IGP doing in a police station? So what is the use of that district commander in that small community? What is the job of the Greater Accra commander? Sad. Nkwaseafuo to send nipa no eba police station. Nkwaseafuo sa near the Jomas. It's so sad. Now I'm a banya bubu near brother. This is 66 years. The mutimi here. And Kolakure good nursery school new. Nkwaseafuo. No, they will not do this. The decision to interdict that officer was right, but wrong timing. You demoralize the other men and women. They got a message. You demoralize the men. They stood helpless. And hooligans and criminals had their field day and walked away free. Ghana entiasiapo. It would not say mechanipan we could in Yamransam no. Cano pay me in a haircasa. Yeah. Ubruni Fradian we see impunity. Ubi dia bakoma someone a boss. Please when him say BBNC. One more call ye, your children a juada, ya de do call court, and the yamma will be 40 years in prison. Wouldn't you say next time we are free will be able? Because Yamaya Monune, Tia Mama Mranye Juma. Judge be a Sako Krano pension. Nedia ne least imprisonment 100 years. Nanka boys ye couldn't Nkwaseafuo. Ma will be at 240 years. Nkwaseafuo. No, it's not enough. It's not enough to condemn violence. It's enough to prosecute it. Where I condemn, it's not enough. It's not enough to say I condemn it. Mamrani Juma. When Yamekura Chiramu said Yashaniema, also be a one to be Shishano. And he made it very clearly. Bring it in my language. Verse number 6. Put it in my language. He made it clear, and it was exactly. He said, Nkwaseafuo munitiri exclamated. Yeah. Nkwaseafuo munitiri. It is the same words Jeremiah used in Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 21. Same words. But they were living in two different time zones. Listen to what Jeremiah said in Jeremiah 5. Hear this, oh foolish people, without understanding, which have eyes you cannot see, ears you cannot hear. In my language, Jeremiah said, he said, same words. And this concerning this nation is Psalm 80, Psalm 94, verse 8. Put it on the screen. English and 3, and then my service is closed. Psalm 94 and verse number 8. In the 8th verse, the Bible said, understand, ye brutish among the people, and ye fools, when will you be wise? Ubisasam, that bane. Omemwe jimifo na chereso mebia ejimifo America ejimifo UK bi ho Germany bi ho Ghana for the no ade anu dem omema jimifo amunintiase. The word montiase is referring to understanding. Na monkwasia da ben na mobehuno. And so in Romans chapter 1 verse 31, whilst he was talking about the things, listen to what he said. He said, without understanding, covenant breakers, without natural affection, implacable, unmerciful, who knowing the judgment of God, that the people who commit these things, they are worthy of death. It will be nintias yakura nipan was wo for sobra. Ubi a one nintias no was wo. Go back to verse 31, turn it into my language. This time one can say, one way nintias was one way nitiri, one way niti, one way niti. When we say help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and might, we are not only talking about British Abrofo. We are also talking about Yakuma Fono Dayemuno, Yakuma Tantano, or your oppressors' rule. Help us to resist. Muku Captain Mahama and Temoniso, Akobo Bobi Mame, Asiafu Amonye. Jina na Asiapu.
Be a polling agent. Na original polling station. Na militants abba. Atimi police barricade no mathematics atama tuagu. police if one take action. Minimum planning, militants in the moon taking action. Because that video said IGP etimitwa sa video na to say my interdicting divisional commander na obi abehu say communist inferior tactics bi na wo ye o pese media attack na about so ama say baabi e ko baabi ase so far no o pe IGP a wa bompa e wo Ghana police service ya e ye tete ye hunu ope police ni IGP a wa bompa na ommo number e ye tete ye hunu siakai kofa sa video no sa pese ga awiase nyina hu se wo ye aduma ase IGP a ba bia obi huru kwa asoro no kwa hadi Hawa Koomson bo ho no police fo ho no militants ne ba no dia na police fo no ye. The second video at the polling station Deputy National Organizer Chris police fo mu obi ane ye pena ye bibi no akọ police fo ho na police fo timi gina ho emi ebeyi ni pie ekokọbo no tietia no na police fo not even a warning shot to scare them away. Warning shoot to back cranko. Police for na you money to send ye sabe. A yan cramine, a bois cramine no maniano, and no modia ba e bruno. Police for you money. Now this letter fear away. Let a 2x4 letter away. Half A4 sheet. Let the buy let half A4 sheet so. Half A4 sheet so. And I'm printing letter go. Let the fear away. A4 sheet half and I'm watching A4 sheet way and I'm watching mienu and I'm the letter at the ababeto. Look at this. 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 And you are saying what? You are saying say why interdit to be. Man ya kroma. Ojina police for mu. Police for no wa fine. Police for no wa fine say nya planting na. O man be na militants ebe ayi overpower ayi police. Ana military. O man be ya. O man be na militants be overpower police. Na police for gina ho. Because you people plan. Say this is how we are going to execute the agenda. Until you know what they half A4 sheet, you should let us say police. Look at what is going on. You call yourself say you deployed men. You call yourself say you did your work well as an inspector general of police. When about did you wear it? Men now also were deployed to Abronye. Where were they at the time when this incident happened? No police is even ready to get closer. No police close to 10 minutes. No police be to make sure say life is protected. You are duty. Every police officer constitutional duty to make sure say life is protected. What kind of attitude ne ekosoi and datete yehunu? Information mean say papa ya na no health insurance manager ya ye koto share ne so kwabere. Ba bia ne pressure duru ye e ma mo hwe video na ensu a onom ye. The how are you walking out? I saw the men didn't pay no or ye case besin ne. Ghana Police Service under tete yewunu and your madden so moonfee. The papa no wuya kuwa wukwa. And nay, just yesterday, a constituency organizer in somewhere in a flower. At me bowra. Not more officers say, an appointment letter delay wa Accra nti ono de wa ba betoto office no ya ye case the police under Tete Yehonu ebesi nne yenchi obia now we are wa ba catch them say oman no asundue ekoso eye insecurity under President John Dramani Mahama administration. The insecurity is getting too much. The insecurity within the 7 months administration we know. Masa, any classmate, our Ghana bakosemu. Vagabonds are taking over the nation. Vagabonds are taking over the nation. Me say vagabonds are taking over this country. The insecurity. Just yesterday, Obisi only an appointment letter appointing authority ni a delay into a akọ pamon Nkwaseafuo free government office. Ya ye keti besi ne Tete Yehonu say onye arrest. Kwabere health insurance manager making police case. Tete Yehonu say onye ayi arrest. And then what kind of police are you policing? Maybe sir, what kind of police are you policing? The only say operation baba. Na ya catch us select NDC for police for unumo. Officer omo de NDC nyatare ne ho a oye so unprofessional say. Ye de ne toto bibia ho a enye ye. Because police ni a yabaka so ye NDC ni de. You say, wow, Timu say, oh, you so unprofessional say, only classmate. And to do a mako, your operations. Just sit down and analyze a Niyama Kofi within this short period under your administration. Nabisa who say, Nientia Sanyama when you Kofi and say, what the any bre conconsa a tro energy IGP no and it has Sanyama way Kofi. That is why you are failing. And would they may can net say, would the Nkwaseafuo and the Kofi? What it? May can not catch your prince, I would the Nkwaseafuo and the Kofi as a retired IGP. Fasan no be a more dinner Ghana ha. Say what to me selecting man, that man no koko jina ho.
We Hawa Koomson. We Nana Lloyd, or ye deputy national organizer, and Hawa Koomson, former member of parliament for Mirafi. Now, Kaswa. In fact, Charlie Adiene Neti in the presence of Ghana police, and yet me do food your boo about to say, Bema, hey, Jack, Mahama Mamwe airtie. This is very bad. Charlie Adina whom Ablekumano for who is serious. Na said ye, see Bunny Papa, and this Matoma phone, Charlie said, we see do food for my man, hey, Hawa Koomson Kafra. This is serious. Hawa Koomson said you must see a bono, Jack, Adnanote, Jack, Shumameno, Now, Bemano Cradi, Nana Lloyd, I said, just a blow, no, but this is a shameful to our democracy. Airtie. Any NDC for another, it is supremely done. 183, once vote make you 184 into Yonkunipa. Jack, I know the Monkoshe, that video, and I know the TheReasonShow. Share what YouTube why live, you better discuss it. This is serious. I'm not saying, bro, no, just a police foot now, soldier foot, Obianke, and this is democracy. No, wait here. Just say Al Qaeda for Crown Fanon. This is terrible. But in fact, Ghana politics dirty, airtight. And say we know yes, I pay you do me, I do you, pay back time, you do me, I do you, airtight. And yet, I mean, John Mahama, Udian Nkwaseafuo, ever caught Nefi. John Mahama Dian Nkwaseafuo, ever caught Nefi. Airtime, share video, and ordain.
Draw your mammy, our comment session. I Penyah Media.